Hello, students. I'm back. We are ready to add a couple more pieces to our puzzle. Um, so, where we left off was with our pieces that were like this on how it would look on the screen. If I could just kind of turn it a little bit. And now we're gonna need to add another piece on there. So I think what we'll do is start out adding on, oops, falling apart here, adding on the yellow piece. And it's really hard to kind of hold and do this. I'm going to move this. Nope, I'm not. But anyway, we're going to be putting the yellow piece on like so. So anyhow, let's go ahead and we need to open our current assembly. So if yours doesn't open, if SketchUp doesn't open with your recent work showing, you can just go to open and then go to your drive, and then you're gonna go into your folder, and now I'm gonna look for PC assembly, which is right there. So here it loads on. Okay, so if you recall from yesterday, the way we brought pieces in was to go up here to the folder here, and we click here and then go to insert. And now we need to go to our folder and need to find the yellow piece, which is there. I'm going to select that. And here it comes in like so. So I know we've got some rotating here to do, because if you look at the piece, it came into our puzzle like this. And we need to get it to be like this to fit onto our puzzle. So the first thing I think we're going to need to do is rotate this. So I'm going to go over here to rotate. And this time we're going to be putting this on the kind of like the front side. And I know it's hard for me to see, maybe not so hard for you to see, but there's a green protractor on there. And so I'm going to just click there. I'm going to extend out. Okay. Click, and now I'm going to start to rotate it. And we're going to need to rotate this, let's see, 180 degrees. So again, that is this way, down in the corner, 180. And enter. And now that is positioned the way it needs to go onto our puzzle. So it's time for us to move. So we go back over here and select this tool. And I know that there's a point, 2 points that need to, not 2 points, but 1 point that would work for us to bring this together would be this point with this point. So I am going to try to get those points to match up, which sometimes is tricky, but I think I just got it. And I'm going to click out here. Oh, whoa, whoa, D-Man. Oh my. Maybe try hitting enter. Oh, jeepers. Maybe I think I know what I gotta do. I think I gotta click the 2 points together. So I'm gonna hit the escape button on my keyboard. And oh, well, look at there. Just by hitting escape, it took me back to where it needed to be. I'll be darned. I'm gonna click on this select tool up here and then click on my screen. I'm gonna rotate this just to make sure that it is where it needs to be. Looks like it that way. Looks like it that way. Well, how about that? Excellent. So we can turn this different directions. Why don't we go ahead and leave it like this here? And I'm going to zoom that out just a little bit. There we go. And then maybe just, I'm going to leave it there. Okay, so now what we have is we have assembled this so far. And now it's going to need to have I believe it is the purple piece needs to go in. And that, we're going to need to be putting that in our puzzle. Let's see. I know it's kind of wobbling all over. It's going to need to go in similar to, so it comes out looking like that. I know it's hard to be able to see that, but what the hay bale. We will just go ahead. I know how it needs to go in there. So we're going to go again up here to open. And I am going to, oops, I think I'm frozen here. There we go. I think I'm back. Into my folder. And the piece I'm looking for is my purple piece. PC purple. And select. And whoa, what the heck? I must have done something wrong here. D-Man, go backwards. No, I must have done something wrong. Yikes. All right. Let's go back to open this PC. Oh, I hate when stuff like this happens. Makes me look like a stooge, which I am kind of a stooge at times. Let's get this open back up. All right. Now, I think maybe I had made a mistake when I came up here. Oh, came up here and went to, instead of going to insert, I think I went to open. So, insert. Now we might have some luck. PC purple. Select. There we go. And I think this won't be too bad. We're just going to have to make one rotation on the purple piece. So let me, I'm just going to click to get that in place, and then I'm going to orbit this a little bit. Okay. And real simply, we just need to go here And we're going to orbit, or not orbit, rotate. I'm going to put this up here on the top of that. I'm going to extend my line. Oops, see, I kind of got to make sure that I'm keeping that line. Needs to be dashed red. That tells me I'm still parallel with the plane I need to be parallel with. And then I'm going to click and I'm going to start dragging this, and this time we are going 90 degrees. And there we have it. And now we should be able to do our move. And maybe before we do that, I'm going to orbit this again. I think I'll just leave it right there. So for us to move this, I know that this corner down here needs to meet with that corner. I could also do this corner meeting with this corner here. Could do this with this. There's several choices. I think I'm going to choose this corner to go to this corner, and let's see how that works. So I take that, and I need to get it up there. Whoop. And I think we have it. I'm going to go over here to this. Oops. And I'm going to orbit it around just to make sure. Oh, that's just wonderful. Oh, yes, indeed. So I'm going to leave it, I think I'm going to leave it like this. And now we don't need to do a save as or anything like that. We're just going to go to save. I don't know what's going to happen, to tell you the truth, other than it says it's saving. Hopefully it goes in the exact same spot it's supposed to go. Looks like it. And that, my friends, does it for today. And we'll see you back here for the last